Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. We are still under lockdown in South Africa. I've just opened up my twists, and so this is just, very quick twist out kind of thing. But I've had my twist in my head for at least 4 days, and I thought, let me open them and come on camera. But we are keeping things very, very simple in South Africa. We are still under lockdown, and I thought, let me do a quick little video on kind of trends happening during lockdown in South Africa, things we are seeing all over social media, and things South Africans just seem to be doing under lockdown. I'm not shading anyone, but I'm just sharing stuff that I've kind of found a little bit interesting and a little bit funny under lockdown. And one of the first things that South Africans are doing is everybody's MasterChef, like food, show me your pots. That's the Facebook group, and everybody is cooking up a storm and putting out their best meals, and people we never thought cooked are cooking, and I'm finding it so interesting. One of the trends is everybody is just cooking up a storm. Secondly, related to cooking is, okay, South Africa's best baker. Who's next? We're seeing cupcakes, chocolate cakes, biscuits. Everybody is just baking up a storm as well. Food is something that we're seeing everywhere on social media. And yeah, we're going to have South Africa's next great baker of social media. The third thing South Africans are doing, and I'm a victim, challenges. Don't rush, and there's just so many different challenges. There's the pillow challenge. I mean, I did a little pineapple challenge that I also threw in there, and there's so many challenges going on, and the whole TikTok thing, I think I'll make that number 4. I have not yet downloaded the app. I am not a TikToker. I am not TikToking, but I'm enjoying seeing everybody like just kind of caving in, and there's this dance, and there's just like all this stuff going on that is just so interesting. A lot of people are a bit over it, but this is really something that South Africans and I think the world are really getting into. So TikTok. 5, how can we forget exercise? Like, there's a bit of a shift. Like, there's so many people working out and posting their workout videos, and then the other half are all about food and eating, and people are like, we're going to come out of this lockdown fat, and then I'm like, then all these people exercising, are you guys going to be slim, trim, washboard abs? But I'm loving people's workout videos. People are motivating people. But when it comes to the whole workout thing, week 1 of lockdown, like, exercise was happening. Week 2, people kind of weaned off. Week 3 of lockdown, and very few people are keeping up with really posting their workout videos. I'm sure they are posting, but the biggest loser, South Africa, might be a little bit of a trend. Makeup. Okay, so makeup. So I'm seeing looks, I'm seeing eyeshadow looks, I'm seeing lip looks, I'm seeing faces. Beat to the gods under lockdown. And as somebody who loves makeup, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying seeing the makeup looks. I'm enjoying also seeing some of the challenges as well, because I really do like makeup. I just don't wear it. Let's move on to hair. Like, in the community, people are straightening their hair. People are cutting their hair. Like, oh my God, this is not the time. People want to color their hair. People feel like under lockdown, let me experiment. So there's the whole straightening of hair thing in the color girl and natural community. People are straightening their hair. People want to color their hair, and for some reason, people seem to want to cut it as well. I'm about to wrap up this trend thing, and back to hair. Something that bothers me a little bit is people aren't combing their hair. Like, people are just neglecting their hair, and that's not a good idea. I would advocate for you to keep your wash day routine, keep deep conditioning, protective style. Like, I just opened up my protective style. It's not looking the best, but we're under lockdown. So just keep your hair maintained. Like, please comb your hair. An interesting one I'm also very much victim to is staying in your PJs, and it's a bit cold in Joburg, so we've got gowns on as well, and it's like morning pajamas, nighttime pajamas, and some people have 1-day pajamas. You shower, you put your pajamas on, you go to bed, same pajamas, wake up, shower, same pajamas. Like, I don't know how long you guys are wearing your pajamas for, but we in pajama mode. And the last one is just binge watching series, but seeing people. There's Heist, and then there was, is it The Tiger Man? I'm not too sure, on Netflix. I mean, I do dabble here and there to keep myself up to date, but I'm just taking it easy, watching a bit of reality TV, keeping up with my housewives. But I know a lot of people who work all the time, parents, they're like in series. Like, okay, we get it. You're watching series, you binge watching, you're having a good time. And I'm also going to say enjoy it as well. Enjoy the escape of watching series and just enjoy your relaxation time while under lockdown. And I thought I'd just share this very, very different, fun video of the trends happening in South Africa and what we are doing under lockdown.